In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do adjusting entries in QuickBooks Online. We're going to use the journal report to quickly find the transaction that needs attention and make a clean, accurate adjustment so your financials line up with reality. Start in QuickBooks Online and hover on Reports in the left-hand menu to open the Reports Center. This is your hub for everything financial, and it's the fastest way to locate the underlying entries you might want to adjust. Next, click on the Standard Reports section. This gives you the core built-in report that ship with QuickBooks, including the one we need today. In the report search bar, type Journal. You're looking for the Journal report, which lists every debit and credit that posts to your books, along with dates, accounts, and source links. Go ahead and click on Journal to open it. Think of this report as your window into the accounting engine. If a transaction hit the ledger, you'll see it here, and you can drill in to review or adjust. Scan the journal report and select a transaction you want to correct. Payment is a common example. Click the transaction link to open its original form. Opening from the report is helpful because it keeps the audit trail intact and shows you exactly what will be affected. On the transaction screen, review the details, then edit the amount field. To reflect the proper figure, take a moment to confirm the transaction date and the accounting period you're affecting, especially if you're working near month-end or year-end. Even small changes can shift revenue, expenses, or receivables, so make sure the adjustment aligns with your reconciliation and any supporting documentation. If the entry is part of a matched workflow, like an invoice and payment, verify that the new amount still makes sense in that context and won't unintentionally reopen items you've already cleared. When you're satisfied, click Save. QuickBooks will update the transaction and, behind the scenes, refresh the debits and credits associated with it. If you return to the journal report, you'll see the corrected amount reflected in the ledger, maintaining a clear record of what changed and when. That's the process. Using the journal report to locate a transaction, opening it from the source link, editing the amount thoughtfully, and saving ensures your adjustment is deliberate, documented, and easy to trace later. If your books are locked with a closing date, you may need the proper permission to proceed. And for complex accruals or reclassifications, consider coordinating with your accountant so your adjustments match your financial reporting goals.